Hello guys! Welcome ulit sa TowerPH TV. So, nareceive natin to ngayon, no? Another NBA trading card loots that we got. Actually, ito yung pinaka-latest and I'm really excited about this one. Actually, medyo marami na rin tayong na-receive from our loots last year, but since I'm really excited about this one, ito na lang muna yung unahin natin. And probably we'll check this all out also. Ito yung isa sa loots ng box break na sinalihan natin last December kay Russell Troy. So sa Russian box break, we'll set aside the other packs na lang dyan for our next video. So umpisa na natin to guys, but before that pala, let's check out this new intro from TowerPH TV. So yun guys, big shoutout kay Ian, Jasper, and of course kay Russell Troy. So aside itong pack na to, or itong card na to, medyo matagal na nating inaawitan. I really want to add this to our collection. Ang daming options, or ang daming ko na rin tinry to get this card. Medyo mostly sa mga auctions talo tayo, na nai-steal tayo, but I'm so excited kasi yan, this time we're able to get this from our friend si Ian, and he offered this to me at a reasonable price. It's another Kobe Bryant card. As you all know guys, big fan ako ni Kobe Bryant. So it's a Kobe Bryant Prosigs and collector, diamond collector, bronze Kobe Bryant. Ang natuwa kasi ko dito, meron siyang yung autograph ni Kobe Bryant, although printed din sa card lang, but still I think this is the closest thing I can get sa mga cards na merong autograph ni Kobe Bryant. Hopefully in the future makakuha tayo ng mga cards ni Kobe Bryant na may totoong signature niya. Here are some of the cards that I already have. Yung may pirma ni Kobe Bryant, no? So hindi masyadong kita. This one silver, then this one also has yung kanyang signature, and yun, this one I think I've already seen yung video niyan. So yun, I'm really glad that I already have this one, and lalagyan din natin siya sa magnetic case. This is definitely one for to be included in our display. So going to the next part of this video guys, I want to give a big shout out to Russell Troy and Ian. I think magkasama siya si Ian. Yung box break, they called it Russian. So I think it's for Russell and Ian. And this one, dalawang box breaks yung sinalihan natin sa kanya last December. Matagal na tong loots ito. I think I got this early this, it's still early this year. So early January 1 yata or January 2. And good thing na mostly naka top load. Ang dami ng sinalihan ko, hindi ko masyado ma-recall, but I think Cleveland Cavaliers yung team dito, and meron din yata Milwaukee Bucks. Ito rin yata yung isa kong inaabangan na may mga magagandang cards ni Isaac Okoro. So medyo dumikit lang, ganda ng packaging niya, protected talaga yung mga cards. So aside yun, sa mga hindi pa familiar, yung box break or yung group breaks na tinatawag, ito yung mga breaks na you'll join a certain group, mag-o-open sila ng box. Usually kasi mga box are number of box, or yung mga box na medyo expensive, you can't really get on your own. Then you join the group, then pag you'll just pick a team, or minsan may team random, then you get your team. Once na na-open yung mga box, most of the cards or all of the cards na related dun sa team na napili mo will be yours. So yun. So let's start up with this essentials ni Giannis Antetokounmpo from Chronicles 2021. So sa Chronicles, I think this one of the better cards dahil ang ganda ng pagka-chrome niya. One of the top players ngayon sa NBA. Also, we have ito galing to sa Illusions. I think this one is yung Denver. We got si Jamal Murray. I'm not sure if naglalaro. Sa tingin ko hindi pa rin naglalaro si Jamal Murray until now. And si Devon Dotson, rookie ng Chicago. This for the box break one, I think. Chicago and Denver yung kinuha natin. Then we got yung pinaka-hit ko dun sa for Chicago is tong base rookie card ni Patrick Williams. So dun sa part na yan, medyo wala tayong nakuhang insert, no? But we got 2 rookies. Tapos going dun sa ating picks sa Cleveland, hindi na tayong isang Inahin na natin si Giannis at Antetokounmpo na XR galing din sa Chronicles. And going dun sa Cleveland, medyo magaganda yung mga nakuha natin na cards. So we got itong pink na XR ni Okoro. So yung pink kasi I think sa blaster ito yung parang parallel niya. So ang ganda ng card. Hindi siya numbered pero maganda yung card ng XR na Okoro rookie card, rookie from Cleveland Cavaliers. Then we got this honors ni Okoro. So next, actually this one of the best or one of the better NBA trading cards sa Chronicles ngayon, yung honors. Meron tayong mga ilang honors na nakuha. One of the more sought after cards din yan. Then we got this. Yan, pink din na Panini na Okoro rookie card. Aside from this one pala, halos nakadalawang din tayo, no? Nakadalawang pink din tayo. And we got this Phoenix na Okoro ng Cleveland din. So yun guys, for our video today, ito yung ating mga nakuha na NBA trading cards, and of course as said, yung pinaka-excited tayo, nakuha ko na rin sa wakas itong Prosigs ni Kobe Bryant. Hopefully in the future makakuha na tayo ng mga totoong cards or mga cards na may totoong signature ni Kobe Bryant. And with that guys, I would like to give a big shoutout sa ating friends si Ian Jasper, and of course sa mga members ng Russian Box Break, especially si Russell Troy. So watch out for the next breaks ng group. And also a big shoutout sa ating mga friends na mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, NBA trading card collectors, and sa mga figure collectors. Again guys, sa mga hindi po nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, please do subscribe sa TowerPH TV and hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, yung video natin about these cards, please do leave a like and share nyo na rin para ma-appreciate din ng iba yung ating mga contents. Again guys, this is Albert Remo from TowerPH TV. Until our next video.